Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to set the best LinkedIn settings to get a job offers daily. 2025 iPhone guide. Go ahead and open your app and then turn on open to work. Go to your profile and go to open to work, find a new job and then select preferred roles and locations. Next, enable recruiters only visibility.
Amazon.
This ensures your current employer won't see your job search. After that, go ahead and tap jobs in the bottom corner of your phone. Job alerts enable notifications for your target roles and notification locations. Update profile regularly. Add posts, add skills, certifications, and featured products stay visible and searches. Privacy tip: share your job info with LinkedIn and trusted connections. Quick fix: if alerts aren't working, log out and back into refresh notifications. Reinstall the app or clear cache through Safari using web. Contact LinkedIn support if job alerts still don't appear. And that's it. Subscribe